And there's reasons to be excited. Here are the 5 reasons to visit and explore the Ouzoud waterfalls in the Atlas Mountains.
Time to check the olives, they know them trees. Did you ever visit a builder house?
Arnica tamouche for muscle eye, eucalyptus for chest, cinnamon for acne, eczema, almond for problem diabetic, rose water for face, argan oil cosmetic pure natural for anti-wrinkles, for hair, for face mask, for whole body, argan oil for food, for salad, for tagine, for problem cholesterol, honey, bourbon Nutella, mixed, argan oil.
It's the limestone. It's red because we have a lot of clay here in the region, and we have also so many caves here in the area. That's the water fall near Marrakesh. But here they live in it like a long time ago. Because a lot of dangerous animals they was in this area.
Bismillah. Bismillah. It doesn't cost too much. It's cooking slowly.
I play drums.